guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a simple chocolate cake. We need very basic ingredients to make this amazing cake. So stay tuned to know how to make this simple chocolate cake. We'll be needing just 4 basic ingredients to make our simple chocolate cake. Now in a mixer jar, we will add in our hide and seek biscuits, baking powder and coffee powder. Here adding coffee powder is optional. I like to add coffee powder because I feel it enhances the taste of the cake. Now we'll blend it into a fine powder in the blender. So this is how it will look once you have blended it into your blender. Add the milk to this and blend it again in the blender for about 30 seconds. This is how the cake batter will look once you have blended it into the blender. Now just take a taste of your cake batter and taste and see if you need to be adding any sugar to it. I felt it needed tad bit of sugar, so I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you feel you don't need sugar, then you don't need to add it. After adding sugar, just give it all a nice mix. Now we'll take a 4-inch cake tin and grease it with oil all over. Place the butter paper at the bottom. Grease the butter paper also with the oil. Dust the cake tin with the cocoa powder. Pour in the cake batter into the cake tin. Now we'll bake the cake in the preheated oven, which is preheated for 10 minutes. And you can bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, I have taken out the cake from the oven and I have checked it. It's perfectly cooked. And now we let the cake cool down completely. Once the cake cools down, I have demolded it and we take out the butter paper that was there in the bottom. We'll pour in some melted chocolate. This chocolate is cooking chocolate which I have melted in the microwave oven. I have a video of homemade chocolate where I have told how to melt the chocolate in the microwave oven. The link will be there in the description. Now we'll pour the melted chocolate on the cake and spread it evenly. And decorate it with some M&Ms or gems or any other decoration that you like to decorate your cakes with. So there you go, our cake is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button. And also, if you found it helpful, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.